Hey guys, for today's video, I will show you how to log in to Instagram using WhatsApp. First, open your Instagram app. Go to your profile. Click the three line at the top right corner, then go to Settings. Click Security. Then go to proceed to the two-factor authentication. And as you can see, the WhatsApp will be shown in the middle. And go click it. It will lead you to add to your number and you have to fill out to be able to log in using Instagram. And after that, it will send you a code to confirm your number. And take note, it will not store any of your information. And there you have it. Thank you for watching and please do subscribe.